So we can demo a few of these things. First, by taking an audio input to the amplifier, which has a gate of 1 permanently fed into it here, and put the output of the VCF in there. Now into the input of the VCF, we can add some noise and have filtered noise. So, because it's a VCF, we can control it with a voltage, and now have turned it down. Putting the VCO in there, we get pulsing filtered noise. So now I've cleared the first patch, and I've got my trusty 606 up here, which I'm going to feed into the A to D converter. By putting the output of the predetermining counter into the conversion input here of the converter, yeah, that's there, then taking the DAC output, feeding that into the mixer, and turning the drum machine on, you get some interesting bit-crushed drum sounds. Now what's going on here is that the 100 kilohertz time base is going into the predetermining counter, and the counter says reset every 100 with these rotary switches here. So right now we're sampling at 1 kilohertz. If we want to change that, we can get some different kinds of bit crushing, and it gets more interesting and more like the original signal as we use higher sampling rates. Of course, by hooking the output of the clock itself right into the DA, we can hear that sampling rate too going on. So if, for example, we go down to dividing the clock by 100, we can also divide it by 200, 300, 400, and as we change these, we get very accurate frequencies in a kind of reverse harmonic series. The construction is kind of interesting. All the modules come on these rails with these little clips on them, like this, which you can see here. And the power gets passed from module to module with these kind of like little Molex connectors in here.